It says snuck her baby daddy over while her husband was at work. Oh my goodness. All right.
Man, what you got this nigga over here for?
Mm,
Because it's my kid's father.
mm.
Kid's father. What you mean? Why you got this nigga here? Why you need to be here?
Because he's supposed to know where his kids live. Like, why can't he know? Why he can't know?
He can know where he live. He can know where his kids live, but why he here though? Why he here?
Because he
at
came
my
to
house.
see his kids. He came to see me and the kids. Let's be
Yeah, we got kids together, bro. I thought you knew that already.
I knew that, bro. You can't talk to her on the phone. Y'all can't do this shit on the phone.
That don't mean nothing. Like, I wanted him to come up here. I wanted him to see the new house or whatever. So therefore, he's here.
The new house, like you helping. You got this nigga pulled up in my driveway like this nigga paying bills. Like this nigga live here.
I live here. His kids live here. So he have every right to be here. So what are you mad for?
Yeah, we just talking about the kids. You know what I'm saying?
It ain't that.
You ain't gotta have the phone.
Bro, I'm not even really talking to you. You know we don't get along. You know me and this nigga don't get along. Okay, so why you here? The problem? You the problem, bro. Why you here?
I'm the problem.
You the problem, bro.
You already.
It's a reason why you and her ain't still together.
We got kids together, so I don't really expect you to understand. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, we talking about the kids. We ain't talking about you. Whatever.
You don't even care.
Y'all doing.
Like I said, I'm not talking to you, bro. I'm talking to my woman. She got another nigga at my house. I don't care if it's a baby daddy, none of that, bro. Y'all can call on the phone.
Like we in the bedroom, so.
No, but you got your car over here like you live here, bro. You don't pay no bills, no shit.
Man, the fact that this young lady really got the nerve to try to go back and forth with her quote unquote husband, and she ain't paying no bills. This man and step. This is why I call these guys step crash dummies right now. I understand why y'all get that name, a step crash dummy. Y'all come in try to swoop these doggone chicks up just because she might be thick. You look like she kind of thick. But y'all come in and y'all get played and get fooled by the buns, brother. You get played by the buns. This brother is up here. Listen, if you didn't pull up, it was a good chance that he was gonna probably go in there and crack that thing in your house that you making all the payments or the mortgage and stuff on. Your boy got the doggone dreads out and everything, man. About to go pop them doggone buns. Ain't no way. Pulled up in your driveway. I wanted to show him the new house. She ain't making no doggone pay. Let me pause this right here. Bruh. This, I'm not trying to be funny. This might be a nice young lady. But these are the type of women that y'all be out here getting played by. Baby mamas. That for whatever reason baby daddy they done separated, right? Get married to another guy just to bring this mofo back over to y'all crib. Knowing, and he said that knowing that we don't get along. Make it make sense. Make it make sense. That was only part one. That was only part one. We got two more parts of this thing. Ain't no way. Boy, y'all are cooked, man. Ain't no way in the hey, couldn't be me. Couldn't be me, boy.
All this time, so what are you mad for? You wasn't here. So it
ain't the fact that I'm mad. It's the fact that you disrespectful, yo. You ain't tell me this nigga was here.
I didn't have to because I live here too.
Ooh. What?
Oh, you hella disrespectful.
We talking about kids. You got to focus on kids. Like I said, I wouldn't expect you to understand.
You want to understand, nigga? Don't you know I got a kid with her? That shows how much you ain't in the loop, bro. It's the reason why we don't.
Because you take care of his kids and he take care of his kids.
The fuck I'm taking care of his kids for? If he here, why I'm taking care of his kids? If he here, nigga, if you here, why I'm taking care of the kids? Why you can't pay child support?
Did you not know that whenever you got into the situation? Did you not know that she had
crying? Who crying? Oh, crying. Now you being disrespectful. You done, but why you still here? You and your kids still here? You done?
Right.
If you done, why y'all still here?
Your kid's here too.
Yeah, my kid gonna stay here. If you choose to leave. Oh, but you done though. How you done? But you gonna stay here? You done with what? You ain't done dealing with nothing. You ain't done dealing with nothing. If you at my house, you ain't done dealing with nothing. I pay the bills here. Yeah, this is why you shouldn't have been here, bro. You knew that was disrespectful.
Like you said, I'm talking about whom I'm talking.
But you on my property, bro. You can talk to me in the street. You can talk to me in the street.
We can talk in the street.
Bring it out here. Bring it out here. No, I'm here. This is my house. Like I said, bro, you shouldn't have been here. You knew that.
Nah, bro. Nah. Now you crashing out. This ain't it. And I know it's gonna be some people down in the comments that may disagree with me on that. Nah, we ain't about to sit here and exchange no doggone. Listen, You done already made your choice. You shouldn't even be in this doggone situation to begin with. And the fact that you got this young lady pregnant and got a baby by her while she got a with another dude, like, bro, I'm pretty sure you've seen signs long before this. Most of y'all dudes be out here trying to put that damn cape on. Stop doing that, man. The reason why you have videos out here like that, and you also have hundreds of thousands, maybe even millions of women that think stuff like this is okay, is because of y'all mofos that keep simping and doing stuff like this. If y'all mofos would just stop and tell them to go back to their mother loving baby daddies, we wouldn't be having a situation. I promise you, we wouldn't. All right. A lot of them would stop doing this mess because they know that nobody is coming to save them. All right. Either I'm going to pick the right guy to begin with, or I ain't going to get nobody at all. All right. And I'm telling you, man, I'm really sick and tired of seeing these mother flipping videos, and I see the guys upset. Bro, you were dealing with a young lady that wasn't careful with her body, wasn't careful with her womb. And she literally ran back after y'all done got married, after y'all done had a child together, after y'all done got a crib, after you, my bad, not y'all, after you done paid for a crib and you making all the payments in that mofo, and she got the nerve to bring, boy, ain't no way. Ain't no mother loving way, man. Hey, y'all cook, bro. Y'all mofos are cooked out here. I don't know what else to say. I don't even want to see the doggone. I'm good. I'm good. Y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments about this, man? And why the freak are you trying to fight this dude? To me, she already done made her decision on where she want to go. You know what? You good, brother. My dap you up. I'm gonna go ahead and go get her stuff. My son, my child is staying here. If you want to go back and forth, you ain't got no place to stay. You know, I'm gonna get one of the best mother loving lawyers. The child is gonna stay here with me. I shouldn't have made the wrong decision by planting my seed in a little 304 like this. But we're gonna pick up these doggone pieces and we're gonna, man, ain't no way, bro. Ain't no way. You have a young lady that's sitting here being flat out mother loving disrespectful, and she got that man over your house while you at work. What the heck? Come on, man. Come on, listen. We grown. We grown. We not about to sit here and play these doggone games. Why in the world are you inviting your ex, your child's father, over here while he at work? While he at work to make sure that he paying the bill, man, ain't no way. It's only one mother loving reason behind it. And she got on the flops. What else did she had on the tights? And it don't look like she had no drawers. But man, come on, dog. Come on. She came over there to get it popping, and your boy was ready. You hear me? Your boy was ready. He done hit the balls with a baby wipe and everything. What you say? Send me that address. Send me that mother loving address. I'm gonna go ahead and pull up. How long? What time he get off? I'm about to be all in between them buns. What you say? Man, ain't no way, dog. Ain't no way. Y'all boys are literally you're getting what you done doggone put out there, man. You've been out here doing sucker-ish. So what they gonna do? They gonna play you like a sucker every time. It ain't nobody's fault but your own. You seen this millions of miles away because 304s like this, bro. Listen, I done seen them. I done seen them. They come a dime a dozen. I've seen them since doggone middle school. I ain't really pay attention to nobody in elementary, but middle school, high school, we knew the 304s. I mean, they literally show signs, bro. All of them do the same ish. It doesn't change. The butt might just be bigger than, a little bit bigger than the other. The breast might be big, but it's all the same. When it comes to the mindset, it doesn't change. Set yourself up, man. I don't feel sorry for this brother. That's on you. But y'all let me know. What do you guys think down in the comments about this, man? Crazy work.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up. Tan skin, mixed race, buttercup. Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.